Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious. So in today's video I would be making mini twist on my client's hair where I tell you on the reasons and benefits why you should go natural this year. Yes, for those of you joining us today, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, and those of you that have been here before, you're welcome back. So, like I said, I'll be telling you the benefits of natural hair. So, let's start from the very first benefit, which is one, it allows you to have a healthier hair. Yes, when going natural, most times, most persons will tell you that being relaxed or being carrying their hair straight for a long time has led to more breakage and dandruff and hair problems, and they decided to go natural. Going natural helps you to actually take more notice and observe more things about your hair. It helps you to actually know your hair and what it needs. It helps you to know that having more product free hair is actually going to help you grow your hair longer and healthier. Then another thing is that it is versatile. You having your natural hair helps you to make other protective style or other styles that you can actually rock on its own. You can make mini twist, mini braid, you can make an afro, whatever style. You can search the net and you see different styles of natural hair to rock. And then it is inexpensive. Many persons have this belief that having natural hair is very expensive due to the amount of product, amount of styling, instruments to get or equipment to get to style and heat, and but that is not totally true, because you can actually manage your hair in such a way that you know the product that you need and you know the equipment to get. Why do I say this? At the beginning stage, many people think that you get to use a lot of product on your hair so that you can grow and manage it. But the truth is that you don't actually need a lot of product. You just need one or two or maybe three particular products you use on your hair every week or every month, depending on what you use and the type of hair you have. So you being able to have these particular products, they are not very expensive. You don't get to buy relaxers every month or every 2 months or 3 months. I don't know how often you relax your hair. And then you don't get to use a lot of hair treatment just to get rid of the dandruff and the product buildup from your hair. So yeah, it's actually not that expensive. So if this is your first time, please do well to like, subscribe if you like this video, and if you have any comment or questions concerning the video, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So for those of you who haven't seen my previous video, I make hair videos on how to do certain styles on my channel, so you can check them out when you can. So back to today's video. Just in case you're wondering how to do your mini twist without making it stand and making it relax like this, you can check the other video on my description box and you'll see then. Okay, let's continue. And then it is easy to maintain. You being able to know your hair, it takes some time actually. You can't just begin the first year and not have problems. No, it's not going to be like that. But you being able to give yourself a year to actually understand your hair and know what your hair needs is actually going to help you manage your hair better. You get to know that, oh, I can comb my hair when it's wet and not when it's dry. I can actually use more hair care natural products to wash my hair and get rid of dandruff. I can actually make protective styles so I don't get to comb my hair, which will lead to breakage. So you knowing all these things help you to maintain your natural hair. And then having natural hair is very liberating. Like you being able to style your hair, carry your hair, rock it, make whatever thing you want to do with your hair, and just go about your normal day because you know that, yeah, it's your hair. You know the patience you put into it, you know the time and effort you put into it. Not many persons can actually go through those efforts. And then every strand of your hair is unique. Why do I say this? Most persons, they see different kind of natural hair and they judge and say this is not natural hair, or this is not kinky, this is not coily, this is not whatever. What defines natural hair is you being able to refrain from all those chemical products on your hair by being able to go for a long time without relaxers and without all those text lasting tools. So many persons observe that they have different kinds of texture on their hair. Some of them are coily, some of them are curly, some of them are both. So there are different textures on the hair. So you being able to observe this also makes you to realize how unique it actually is, and that is what makes it easy for you to style it. And then you having your natural hair helps you, or rather it makes you noticeable among your peers. Natural hair is not something you get from the market. I mean, you can get your kinky hair from the market and install it as wigs, but you have your natural hair has that effect on you and has that tendency to be noticed by others, especially when you rock it out. So you get noticed easily, and then people get to ask you, "Oh, this your hair is so beautiful," and you have the confidence to actually say, "Yes, it is." And then you continue to rock your hair that way. People get to ask you questions: "How did you do it? How this? How that?" And then it boosts your confidence. You see, it boosts your confidence. You rock your hair, you go wherever you want to go, put in whatever style you want, and then it also helps you to increase your hair growth. Because since you know the nature of your hair and what your hair needs, what your hair does not want, you get to give your hair what it wants and don't give it what it don't want. So in that case, you get to minimize the amount of breakage, shedding, and actually retain length in your hair, and then you start to see growth. And then, last but not the least, is that natural hair helps you have a thicker head of hair. Yes, you have a thicker head of hair. You can't hide it. So when you make or when you leave your hair to go natural, you see that your hair actually start to get thicker and fuller. Yes. So having your natural hair is a benefit and it is quite good, and it is not for everyone. So if you think that natural hair is for you and you want to get natural hair and you want to grow your hair thicker, fuller, you want to get noticed, you want to rock that Afrostatic nature or being in you, then you should probably try the natural hair. And then when you notice that your hair is always breaking, maybe due to product buildup, due to chemicals, due to heat, you should consider transitioning to natural hair. I can make another video on how you can actually transition to natural hair. There are different methods you can do that. I'll make a separate video for that. But for this particular video, you should consider getting natural hair. And also, there are benefits which I just mentioned, benefits of going your natural hair or going natural, and there are also that side of it. So I would also make a separate video on things you should know before going natural, things you should be aware of, all the downsides of being a natural before you actually go into it. So you have to weigh the benefits and the cons and know if you can actually do it or not. Okay, and also you are also free to try whatever you can give it a try, and if along the way you think it's not for you, then you can switch it back. So that is how it is. So if you have any questions concerning the video, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And for those of you who have or is just joining us for the first time, like I mentioned before, I make hair care videos. I also post stuff about nursing and health. So you should follow my channel and get more information as I post them. Okay? And I also post how to do videos on hairstyles. So if there's a particular hairstyle you want to do, or you're a beginner, you want to learn how to cornrow, I have a separate video for that on my channel, so you can go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the comment section below or in the description box below, so you can click on it and go there and watch it. I also have other tutorial videos which you can also check and also like if you like them. And then I would see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.